A controversy has erupted after reports of the suspension of 58 students of a Karnataka college for protesting against hijab restrictions in Shivamogga district surfaced online. While the college principal verbally suspended the students, the Shivamogga DC said the principal had just threatened and not actually suspended them. There were reports that 58 students of a college in Shiralkoppa talluk in Shivamogga district have been suspended for protesting against not being allowed to wear hijab. However, videos had surfaced online where the principal was heard telling students that they had been suspended from the college as they violated the rules. In the video, the principal said, Deputy SP, DDPI and SDMC had tried to convince you, but still you have not listened to them. You have violated the rules. That's why we are suspending you all from college for the time being. You can't enter the premises since you are suspended.